How to clear RAM on your iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear RAM on your iPhone to improve its performance. So let's get started. So basically, RAM really drains your iPhone battery and also slows down your phone's performance. So what you can do is that you can just scroll up if you have the latest version of iOS. If not, you can also enable assistive touch. That will be something like this. So you can enable various features on assistive touch, such as I have made the feature that when I double tap on assistive touch, it's going to show all of the applications that are running in the background right now. So basically, you can see that there are so many applications running in the background. So that basically drains my phone's energy and storage, and also it occupies the RAM, and the performance of the phone will fluctuate. So what you can do is just swipe up and remove these applications, but you can see that there are so many of these, so make sure all of these applications are not running anymore. Once done, you'll be able to see that your phone is working perfectly fine right now because the RAM is cleared and everything, even the battery, will be saved and your phone will work smoothly. However, if the issue is still there, I suggest you to update your phone's software, or that means your phone needs an upgrade. So that was basically some simple ways how you can clear RAM on your iPhone. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.